In the silence of the night, behind closed doors, countless voices cry out. Voices silenced by fear, society, voices silenced by shame, voices longing for hope, deep wounds hidden in shadows.
Today I cannot hide behind the silence anymore. Today I take a stand. Not just for myself, but for every woman, for every girl whose voice has been crushed under the weight of violence. This is our moment. We are not invisible. We will not be erased. The time has come for us to say no more. No more violence. For us to fight back. For us to stand for our rights. For our dignity. For our lives. We are not alone. The pain will fade to usher in healing. There's help to rebuild your life. There's a community to work with you. You can thrive again with professional support. Today, we rise, and the darkness, it ends now.
Every time a woman seeks help, she needs support worth $1,805 a year to get her life back on track. Twice as much if she has kids. She needs $235 for therapy, $600 for shelter, $470 in legal aid, and $500 for economic empowerment. The darkness ends now, but only if we act together. Every survivor's story deserves to be heard, and every life affected by violence deserves to be rebuilt. We can't do it alone. This year, we actively supported 26 women, and we really want to do more. Your support can provide that hope. With your donations, we can create safe shelters. We can fund Tehila, our trauma recovery programs, and empower more women economically. The time to act is now. Join us. Be the light that ends the darkness. Support a survivor. Support them today.